This is Peppermint Mocha Smoothie Bowl, part 1. Yay!
This is fun. I love this.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, we are knee deep into a Christmas smoothie bowl series all across my TikTok, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. I have done a Grinch smoothie bowl, we've done a candy cane smoothie bowl, we have a Rudolph smoothie bowl, a Santa Claus smoothie bowl. Last week we did a hot chocolate smoothie bowl on this channel, and today I am so excited to announce this week's holiday inspired smoothie bowl. It's the Peppermint Mocha Smoothie Bowl. You guys, this recipe is about to blow your mind. So if you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the family, hit that subscribe button and join us. Peppermint mochas are probably my favorite Christmas drink. I get so excited every year around this time, and I have been thinking and dreaming about this Peppermint Mocha Smoothie Bowl for quite some time. Now I'm just gonna warn you, I'm going all out this season, so this smoothie bowl is gonna be a little crazy, but I think you can handle it. I think you're ready for it. I just wanted to put a disclaimer out there. So we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, so if there is a Christmas or holiday inspired smoothie bowl that you want me to make, be sure to drop it in the comments below and maybe I'll make it. Okay. First things first, let's get to it. I'm so excited. We're just gonna start off with a big splash of almond milk. You can use any liquid or any kind of milk alternative. Next up, we're gonna do, come on. Next up, we're gonna do 2 frozen bananas. I'm just gonna break them up here a little bit so they're easier to blend. These bananas are very frozen. There's probably a better method to do this. This is what we got today. Next, we're gonna add a couple shakes or half a cup of frozen riced cauliflower. This doesn't change the flavor of your smoothie bowl. Your taste buds actually won't taste the difference with half a cup of frozen riced cauliflower, so this just packs in some veggies and extra nutrition and also makes your smoothie bowl bigger and thicker. So we love adding that to our smoothie bowls. If you haven't tried it and let me know. Woo! Did you see that? Okay, next what I did is I took some canned coconut cream and I put it in this little ice cube tray, and we're just gonna add 2 of these frozen coconut cream cubes to our smoothie bowl. It's gonna help make it nice and creamy and thick. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. You guys. This is also a good substitution or alternative if you don't like frozen bananas, which I know a lot of people don't like bananas. So we're gonna add a couple of these. I'm thinking just 2. We're just gonna do 2 today. We're gonna stick these back in there, my goodness. Okay, now the fun stuff. Conveniently enough, my favorite 310 Nutrition has a mocha protein powder. So we're gonna put a scoop of this in here today. Don't forget, this is the last month that you can use my code to get a discount. You can use NTN Shake. I also linked it down in the description below if you wanna check out some of their proteins. I love their protein powder. And we're using the mocha kind today. Got a scoop of that in there. And then to give it a little bit extra of a mocha flavor, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then finally, for our peppermint, we're just gonna do a few drops, maybe like half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of peppermint extract. This stuff is really strong though, so don't add too much. Just gonna do a tiny little splash, maybe a little bit more. There we go. Ooh, smells so good. Okay, time to blend. Amazing. Okay, the best part is the dump. I wanna know, we've got 3 signature moves on our smoothie bowl decorating. We've got the dump, we've got the swirl, and we've got the spin. So I wanna know which team you're on. Are you team dump, team swirl, or team spin? Comment down below, because I need to know. Moment of truth. I'm so excited about this one. You get the first bite. Okay, my turn. Oh, dang. Whoa. This tastes like the chocolate peppermint blizzard from Dairy Queen. Whoa. And what's crazy is that truly you can't taste the bananas. It's literally like chocolate peppermint ice cream. Oh my gosh. Add this to your list of Christmas smoothie bowls that you need to make because this is gonna blow your mind. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more tutorials on how to get your smoothie bowls better or thicker, check out my smoothie bowl playlist where I've linked all my tutorials on different blenders and how to make smoothie bowls. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this week. If you liked this video and it brought a smile to your face, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. See you next week. Bye.